Alright guys, today I've got Take a Chance on Me by Abba, and I'm gonna pick the Master 77. This is an older lock. I got it in a package that I bought on eBay for 20 bucks. Got like 20 locks, about a buck a piece. It's pretty old. It's a little disrepair. For a while I thought it was broken, but I was able to pick it just recently. So I'm gonna pick it for you. I'm gonna go with my snake today. Alright, it's locked. Yeah. Okay. Basically, I just gotta pick it until it gives, because I can't open it with a tension wrench. I use the same little up and down technique, almost like a wave, for this lock too. Okay, it gave. Okay, here, I'll show you the... See how it's to the right? It's sitting on about 1 o'clock. That means it's picked. Now, I put a screwdriver in, a keyway, and I turn it. There you go. It's that simple. When raking, I find that once you get down your technique, and you can really, whip it out and do it, that's when you start to really get it down. You just want to, I don't know. For me, I always picture my pick as a wave. The tip of my pick is a wave. It goes up and down, up and down. And I try to replicate that. And I try to replicate anything that works. Once you pick a lock and you find out what works, just keep doing it. That's the best I can tell you. Because it's taken me a couple broken picks and many locks, not broken locks that is, but many locks to figure out what works good. Come on. Oh, and here's the keyway sitting in lock position, so you can compare that to earlier. This one's a pain though. It's kind of got a bad record with me. Usually, the first pick always goes smooth, but then the second on video always goes. I think I might. No, I don't think so. No. Come on. There we go. Okay, and then here it is when it's set. There you go. I'll do it from this angle this time. There you go. And there it is, completely unlocked. And there's the shackle. There you go. Master 77. It's an oldie. There you go. KeepPicking.com, boys. That's where you learn. That's where you learn anything. That's where you learn the best jokes even. But there you go. Check out KeepPicking.com and rock on.